How to delete chat history on WhatsApp from both sides. Make sure to watch until the end so you don't make any mistakes. Okay, so the very first step is to open up your WhatsApp application. Open up the conversation you want to delete the chat history from. And normally you would have to press and hold on a specific message and tap on delete and click on the trash icon at the bottom left and make sure that you tap on delete for everyone. Click on OK and that should delete that specific chat on WhatsApp from both sides. Now, if you want to do this onto the whole conversation and on the old messages, I will explain it in a bit, so make sure to pay close attention. So if you try to press and hold on a specific old message and click on delete, click on the trash icon at the bottom left, and as you can see, there is no delete for everyone option. WhatsApp has a privacy policy of only being able to delete a message from both sides within the 2 days when the message was sent. So unfortunately, you cannot do that to all chat history. And that is how you can basically delete chat history on WhatsApp from both sides.